review video. So today I'm going to be doing a double video in one video. So this video will be the iron shop review at the beginning, and at the end I'll be showing off the cars, the new cars and stuff. Alright, I already saw it and stuff, but I would like to show it off. But let's do it into the iron shop. Let's see how quick I could do it, the iron shop, so I could get done with the video quicker. So you have to spend like a lot of time on a very long video. Let's see if this iron shop will load. Okay, nice. Someone got another bundle for the Leos. Locker bundle with the orange skin, his backbling pickaxe. This pickaxe is the icebreaker pickaxe, really nice. Then the poopy parasail, and then the enigma wrap. Now you have the infinity skin with the staffy backbling, stash stripes. Now you have the eternal zero, echo with the L style, a backbling L style, invasion blade. Now we have the glider, also has the other style. Now we have the echoes wrap, bunny wolf with the other styles and reactive, backbling also. The other one also has it as well with the wrap, really nice wrap. Now in the section of Grimoire, how do you pronounce it? With the hoodie other style, really cool with hollow backbling. Bachi with the other style and her backbling, no other style. Oh, and a new music pack, the guard gang. Which is the music that plays when you go to the Spire Guardian, so it's pretty cool. For instance, this toasty, you can see here it has two variants. This one, where you get a normal nice toasted one, and then if I can get the show, yeah, this one is blue. And then the Rick Roll. Super cool, Rico, the fun and stuff. Alright, Cyber Infiltration pack. I might be getting this pack because like I was doing my favorite stuff. I have 1225 V-Bucks. I need 2200, and I think I got more chance today, so I'll see if I can do it and get the bundle. I'll make a video on it as well. Chigusa with the Wonderful Rabbit, backbling, Megumi, and then we have the God Pup, Yuki with the other style. Then we have Hackpack backbling. Infiltration tools, we have the cutting words. Really nice splash effect on all of these pickaxes. As you can see, this one has the coolest one. Now we have the Lava Legends bundle with the Molten Battle Hound, Valkyrie, the backwings, and then the Lava Wing. Now we have the fourth and last wrap bundle with Joker with chest out, Phantom L style, Maris. What? Maris is for hell, backroom, Rafa, Max, King of Avia Project. Because I got you, I want 1,000 bucks. Now 25 battle pass levels, I mean 25 to 75. Before that month, back get the battle pass and the pack for 1,000 bucks. I love until how much service a month. Get the alley skin, the backbling, and the pickaxe and the wrap. But then shop review, but don't leave yet. We have another video to go on. I'll show off the chunker styles in, well, I'll see if I can show it off in the battle labs first, and then I'll jump into my creative map. What I created, it doesn't have much, it just has like only cars, because creative now has cars as well, so I'll show off that. But let's jump into battle lab and check out the cars. They are super cool. To do the battle labs now, and all of the gas stations have the all the gas stations now have an updated thing where all of them has a garage next to it. So I would like to drive over to this, and there's a new matches as well. I would like to drive over to this one. It's a big garage warehouse. It's like someone set it up there, like they're working there or something. Probably there is. And now let's go into Lazy Lake and show off the garage in Lazy Lake. It's actually the middle building. This one here, I think. Yeah. No, it's this one here. And it actually has if you know from before, there was a garage there, but it was really small. But now there's a big one, and it's like lots of stuff in this one. So I'll be showing off every car if I can find out. But this is the big garage. It looks really cool. It's 2 stories high in this one, and so you could destroy these to get. Oh no, is the chunker style not here? Oh, I don't think it's here in Battle Lab. Oh no. Okay. Well, I'll show off the Chunkus tires in the... oh wait, no, they are in Battle Labs. Okay, no. You don't have to worry. Okay, let me show you guys something cool. So, first things first, when you throw it on the ground, it creates this, which you can bounce off like any ordinary one. And then you could take them up and have them in your hand. Or you could chuck them on any vehicle. Let's do Whiplash, because Whiplash is very fast. And just like that, very big off-road tires. Looks so cool. And then let's fill it up. And let's drive all the way over. And let's show you all some cool stuff. You can actually climb mountains with these tires on cars. Especially the Whiplash. The Whiplash, you can climb mountains with. So let me show you guys that now. Let's go over to this little hill or mountain. Whatever you want to call it. There's no other hill. And look how fast it goes. And look at this. It could go up the mountain. Just like that. Now let's drive back down. Driving down will also be easy. You just fall off. But these tires make it so much easier to go up mountains, like as I'm showing here. You don't even need to boost with the Whiplash. And watch how quick it is off-road. It's like the normal speed of a Whiplash. It is the normal speed of a Whiplash, but it's off-road. Which is just so cool. I just like cars in Fortnite because like it is so cool. It's like a fun addition to Fortnite. But now let me show you all the new gas station. Oh no, our boss driving me down. Okay. So let me show you all the new warehouse if I can make it there. Alright, I'll catch you guys when I reach. Okay, so I started my recording because I reached to this big mountain kind of thing. And I want to show off the climbing mountain kind of thing again. Because this one is more steep. But steeper. Look how it goes up the mountain. Like nothing. Alright, so let's make it back to the... Okay, so I reached the garage. And as you can see, it's very big. It looks really cool, so let me show you guys a little tour of inside. See here, it has the Chunkus tire set again. And then we have this little inside here, the chest above me. And yeah, that's really it. But now, I'm gonna chuck this on. We chuck. And look how big it is. Now time to go into creative and check them out in creative, because there's much stuff to do. So, I jumped into creative. See, that's a nice elephant here. Alright, this is the hub actually. But let's jump into the... Oh, excuse my belch. Sorry. Let me jump into my island that I created with all of the vehicles and stuff. Let's fly down. And look, I have everything set up here. Would actually almost like the same make a color. Alright, so all of the Chunkus tires here. So as you can see now, cars are in creative. And there's some cool stuff you could do. So first you could just make the boost on any car, no boosted starts, and then you could make unlimited. You can enable the radio or disable radio as a do on, and you can choose whatever color you want, and then you could enable the Chunkus tires as well. But let's check out the Chunkus tires on some other vehicles. So let's jump into the truck. So let me show off this cool thing that I did. So I made this big ramp, and I have one boost. And you can actually boost with the truck and go nice. This is just super cool. Because the truck normally doesn't have any boost. But let's see if you can make a jump. And... no, we didn't make a jump. Alright. So we didn't make that jump. But now let's check out some other vehicles. Like the van. The van is really cool. And let me show you guys the videos roughly with them. So you can have a radio station like this too. It's really cool. I know. Let's see if the van will make a jump. And the van did not make a jump. Okay. And now let's try the Whiplash. Oh, not that Whiplash. This Whiplash. Oh my goodness. Why did you flip? Right. Now let's try the Whiplash. The Whiplash normally has boost. But this one now, it has boost unlimited. Alright, let's see if we can make a jump. Oh, we made it. Technically we made it. Yeah, we made it. So the oldest one I made my jump was the flat. But we never checked all of it. We still have to check the taxi and the this one. The taxi, we don't have to check the taxi because the taxi is like the exact same one as this one. Let's see. And it did not make it. So the oldest one I made is this humongous jump. Let's see how much build that's it. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 builds to the side. And the whatever this one is called only made it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So only made it 7 tiles away. But the whiplash is used and I made it. But this is super cool now. We call these cars are in creative. So let's grab the truck again. And you can actually go to the truck. This is what I'm excited about. To go to the truck. Look how fast I'm going. So obviously the trucks and the ordinary vehicles will be faster on this kind of terrain. But with like mountains and stuff, it's a lot higher. Like it could go lots faster. But I have a shop review and car review. See you all in my next one. Goodbye.